So we're back in Kuala Lumpur and this is where we'll be spending our New Year. Hey. Okay, so see you in our journey as we end our 2024 here in Kuala Lumpur, and welcome 2025 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. See ya! Hi again. At level 1, sa mga gustong mag-travel via bus dito sa Malaysia, going to Bukit Bintang, to the Central, kung saan man. Okay, you can buy your ticket here. So, yan. Bibili ka muna doon via kiosk, and then cashless siya. So, pag nakabayad ka na, may oras kasi yan, papasok ka na dito. Okay, papasok ka na dito. Yan. Tapos mag-aantay ka na lang ng bus mo kasi nandun lang sa labas yung platform. So, yan. Hopefully, that will give you an information. Actually, medyo nagtaas yung yung pamasahe. Last time it's just 10 RM, but right now binayaran namin dalawa kami 32 RM no? 32 RM. So nagtaas na siya. 15 plus terminal fee pa siya. So nagtaas na pala. So ngayon, we're just waiting for our bus kasi 7:45. Okay guys, we're here in front of Petronas Tower at napakaraming tao. Grabe, sobrang dami. Just once in a lifetime lang. Sarado ang kalsada. 3 minutes.